pyrosequencing is a new method of sequencing DNA that allows us to determine DNA segments very long, such as the length of the human genome, 3 billion base pairs. And it involves the use of an enzyme that fireflies use to emit light called luciferase. So it's very cool to understand. And to begin with, let's say we had a sequence of DNA ATGC followed by some more base pairs. What would happen in our solution is we'd have DTTP present, and it would be added by DNA polymerase. And when DNA polymerase adds the corresponding base pair to adenine, the DTTP, it produces a pyrophosphate. Sorry. And pyrophosphates are abbreviated PPI. And so these pyrophosphates will interact with an enzyme referred to as ATP sulfurylase and produce ATP. And with that ATP, we will have present in our solution an enzyme referred to as luciferase from the fireflies. And luciferase will emit light with the ATP. So depending on the intensity of the light that is observed or not observed, we can determine whether or not a particular nucleotide is present in an unknown segment of DNA. And so what do I mean by that? So let's say in our sequence we had no adenine. If we flooded our solution with DTTP and never saw light, that would tell us that there were no adenines present in our sequence of DNA. And if we had a segment of DNA that was nothing but adenine, and we had a huge intensity of light observed from pyrosequencing, it would tell us that there is a very high concentration of adenines present in our unknown segment. And so this gives us a hint that allows computers to perform several algorithms to determine very quickly the sequence of DNAs based upon all these different light intensities and concentrations and hints that we get through pyrosequencing. So it allows us to be able to determine things such as the human genome very quickly and cheaply on scales that we just haven't been able to before. So it is very cool stuff to understand. The company involved in it is called Illumina if you're interested. And thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.